Really, I think first of all I thank everybody. Being a quadrant and especially today a holiday, I think many of my partners and compared to last year being here, crowd has improved. Thanks for War India. Basically, I take care of wireless WNS team in Motorola. I represent West region. To stand about. We are a global company approaching 8 billion business and Fortune 300 company, and we are market leaders in many of the segments like public safety, commercial two-wheeler, radios, enterprise, mobility controlling, and barcode scanners, and many other segments which we are. When you talk about investing in the future, we are in almost all these segments of radio solutions, enterprise solutions, wireless networking, and focusing many of the verticals like government, retail, transport, manufacturing, energy, telecom, healthcare, education, and professional service and wholesale. This gives an overview of our presence. We have around 21 development centers in 10 countries and 14 call centers in 11 countries and manufacturing locations in 5 countries. And it's a little old now. We have crossed more than 2,500 direct sales associates, and it should be more than 25,000 channel partners across the world. And we ship around 3 million devices a year. I'll be giving a small overview. I have given a limited time, so I'll be just running a slide so that I'll not take much time. First of all, like wireless LAN, why should we be interested in wireless LAN? This gives the trends like growth of wireless on enabled devices, more bandwidth on WN technology, and wireless become a default replacing wireless or wired. If you talk about generation, when we started, everything was on PCs, next generation was on laptop. Then now it's the third generation, like everything is on mobiles and enabled devices. I think I've been to an event in Malaysia, like it will be thrice of this crowd. Every table I have different, I've seen gadgets like people using iPads and mobile phone handheld device. None of them are using laptop except me. So that is the generation. I think we still have great opportunity in India to explore. I think coming years we'll also have that in India. See, this gives a small overview of like how Wi-Fi enabled devices growing. See, this gives a very clear indication like what is the percentage of growth on smartphones on wireless enabled devices. See, this is the thing where we started with 11 Mbps on .NB, then it came into 44 Mbps BG. Now we are at 300 Mbps .11n. Where like now everybody wanted to replace wire. Everyone by default they wanted to go in for wireless for everything. If we talk about internet application, voice, video, internet and remote access, everything they wanted to have it on wireless. And this is a broad portfolio of WNS thing where we cover wireless, wireless broadband solutions, air defense, which is completely a troubleshooting on complete platform of the thing. Then team solutions and point wireless suits. Next is the indoor solution where wireless can be terminated indoor and outdoor. And I think indoor solution we give complete vulnerability assessment, complete WLAN access network and troubleshooting and multi-vendor management by using our air defense, and team solution integrated with voice and video. When you talk about key features, complete indoor, outdoor, 11N, BGN portfolio, wherein starting from SMB to world largest wireless LAN, multi-purpose access points, next generation adaptive architecture, fast and simple deployment, and self-optimizing and healing. reliable and I think on most power and performance of per access point and integrated and defense security network assistant. When you talk about this, clearly indicates the three generation of thing. One is that first was standalone access points, then came the hub and spoke centralized. We are into Bing distribution. Can you just play that? There's a video. I just want you, there's a small video which talks about Bing distribution.
Traffic. All of those high bandwidth applications can cause massive traffic jams that drop connections and disrupt service. Not so with Motorola Weak 5 WLAN solutions. We've rethought wireless, so you don't have to. Now your retail workforce can quickly handle Black Friday volume with solutions that directly route thousands of transactions around bottlenecks and authenticate more point-of-sale devices from a single AP. Teachers can simultaneously stream videos without interrupting or reducing the quality of service for thousands of other network users on campus. That's because we place the brain power of the network where you need it. Our smart APs know what application you require and the best route to take to avoid bottlenecks, jittery videos, or poor voice quality, and never sacrifice network security or mobility service. Such intelligence ensures your workers can still meet deadlines, even in WAN outages, thanks to our incredibly robust site survivability features. Your team can roam where needed and still experience fast, stable connections with our application-aware Smart RF that quickly adjusts the network's power and channels. And you can extend connectivity to remote sites, split usage between guests and staff, and customize a unique solution from a broad portfolio and flexible architecture options. What does this ingenuity mean to you? Less worry, less cost, less congestion. What does it offer? More trust, more intelligence, more performance. Motorola Weak 5 WLAN solutions. Less required, more delivered.
Yeah, this gives the complete understanding of Weak 5 technology, which this is the architecture works like where in the traditional hub and spoke thing, here the controller is going to be a bottleneck, application experience added latency, limited scalability and central point of failure when Weak 5 technology, all those have been no controller bottleneck improves the application performability and efficiency architecture and distribute intelligently and APs and controllers. This gives a broad overview of the products where we start with the enterprise class controller, that is 9000 series, and we have RF controllers, 7000 for large enterprise and 6000 for 256 adaptive access points and 4000 for 36 and we have various access points depending upon the required frequencies. And where the management is completely driven by our defense network assistant, where it gives complete infrastructure management, security compliance, and LAN planner. This gives a small portfolio of positioning the access points. Here, AP611 gives 100 Mbps single radio, where it's a wall mount, no clearance. It can be positioned for the room APs or hospitality education segment. When you talk about 6521, it gives 150 Mbps single radio. Then when you talk about AP6532, it's 400 Mbps dual radio, and the strongest access point is AP7131, which is 450 dual or tri and high power, high throughput thing. And when you talk about AP612 and 650 are the dependent access points where controller-based solution, where 150 Mbps access Mbps and AP650 is just going to launch it will be around 400 Mbps high performance, which is predominantly used for the campus and where the real video application is required. This gives you an overview of the controllers starting from 4000 series, 6000, 7000 enterprise, where we have the common OS is the wing. This talks about outdoor access points, wherein we do 3G offloading, outdoor Wi-Fi networking, troubleshooting and multi-vendor management and residential connectivities. This is the key function of Motorola, where meshing. We have a lot of success stories in coal mines where our product has been deployed complete on a meshing technology. This is the brief product portfolio. We have 43,000 series and 300 series, 3600 series and 7181, which is strongest access point. This talks about RDFN, which takes care of your security compliance, network assurance and infrastructure management. I think everything on the security compliance, rogue estimation, intrusion detection, and then all those gives you a brief thing. This is our trusted and proven customer base in all different verticals. Right now we are helping people to be their best in the moments that matters. Thanks.